Hey there campers, it's Barry here with Southern RV. We were fortunate enough today to catch up with some of our customers, and they lent us a few minutes of their time to talk about a custom solar install that we did on their brand new 2021 Zinger 341RK. It's a pretty cool setup with multiple panels and a lithium battery system, and it's powerful enough to go off-grid and boondock without a shore connection. They can even run their air conditioner off this unit. So let's check it out. Let's go meet up with Sam in the campground, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what we've done.
Hi, I'm Sam. We're looking at our brand new Zinger travel trailer, which we have outfitted so that we can boondock, which we enjoy doing, living off the grid. We are former full-timers and have done this. So a couple things you need to know if you'd like to boondock. First of all, the units come with 20-pound propane tanks. We highly recommend that you upgrade to the 30-pounders. Maybe a while before you can resupply. The other big thing you need to do is your electric. We went solar on this. The heart of your solar system are your lithium batteries. They come with AGMs or worse, lead acids on some other units. You're gonna have to spend a little bit of extra money, and they're $1,000 each on the lithium batteries. Why? Because you can run a lithium battery all the way down to 10% of its charge, so you get to use the full amount of the battery. Solar loves lithium. Speaking of solar, panels are roof mounted. There are three 190 watts, so that's 570 watts of power. When we lived off-grid last time, we only had 160 watts and did it fine. So 570 should be the lap of luxury for us. Inside there's a control panel, which you can see is mounted just inside the door. And from those two control panels, the ones below the switches, you can monitor your charge, the amperage that your panels are bringing in, and the complete status of the unit. Buried deep inside is a 3,000 amp charger inverter. That is what takes the solar, converts it over to your AC, so that whether you're on shore power AC or whether you're on solar 12 volt, everything inside this will run as normal. Now naturally, depending on how sunny it is, you may not be able to run every single thing in your unit, but you can certainly run all your lights, all the basics, charge your cell phones and computers and such. You're gonna have to be very careful on AC, running a hair dryer, microwave. You may not want to do all those things at once, and you want to use your gas for your water heater and not your electric. Well, those are just some quick tips. The people here at Southern RV did all this for us. It's a new unit and they upgraded it, so we are good to go.
All right, so special thanks to Sam for taking a little bit of time out of his day to talk to us about some of the custom modifications that we did to his Zinger. It's pretty cool that you can live off-grid on solar these days. It's becoming more affordable than ever, which is going to lead me to the next thing. How much does it all cost? Well, sadly, there's not a direct answer to that because it's going to vary per person, per unit, per RV. The size of the solar install and how many appliances you want to run and the size of the battery bank that you have are all going to affect the overall cost of this installation. As you probably heard Sam say, some of those batteries can be thousands of dollars a piece. So if you're interested in doing a solar setup for yourself on your fifth wheel or travel trailer or even a motorhome, just give us a call at 770-477-0552 and speak to our service team about obtaining a quote for your RV today. Until next time, happy camping.